fig grill king, money done spent. Take a smell of me savage and you love half the scent. I real sad, I gon' beat it till it tent. And when I carry you home, you tell your man it's where you want, it's where you.
I know me alone say she get Lashin.
Reaction.
What's poppin'? I don't say boy there. We're back with another video for you guys. You feel me? Today we're back in Guyana again because you know the hot song them a drop over Guyana, so the reaction boss is gonna be here to represent for you all. If you're first time on the channel, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you all are new. We're on the road to 10k. You understand? We are 200 and like what? 200 and what? 80 subscribers away. Subscribe right now. Comment on this video to see your comment right over there in the next video that I post. Today we have a song called Lashin by Azariel. You see me, I say tin continued. Because see what I go on. Remember, officer, love me with the tin, no? You know, see a bad song like that already. The reaction boss they represent for me right now. Go see what I go on for this right now. You ready? Alright, June.
Wow, your car got tint? My man just got me in an aquarium, full glass space. Oh my god, I love this.
I care she for the west side. Yeah. They sure she was the best side.
I wanna see how this start out already. No, I wanna see how the video start out already. Pre this.
Wow, your car got tint?
First of all, we admire her. She a jiggle. She walk in and inter jiggle. We love that already. We want in the comment section, people. We love that in the comment section. Yo, what we want? We love that. Go on.
My man just got me in an aquarium, full glass space. Oh my god, I love this.
You see the car dark, midnight. You can't see none in there. We love that. What we want in the comment section? We love that. Go on.
I care she for the west side. Yeah. They sure she was the best side. She said she want ride. The tint up car make it easy for her. In the back seat, in the front. Yeah. You could even get it in the trunk. You could
pause. She up on her knees on the back seat and the back row. Polo, you know about that. But I'm telling you a while ago, the dog say you can't tint so it hide. You man say in the back seat and the front seat, you can't even get in the trunk like a girl. And that the dog I make you know. In the trunk. Go on.
Get it anywhere you want. You could get it anywhere you want. Anywhere. Up on North Road, I go down south. You could even put it in your mouth. You could get it anywhere you want. You could get it anywhere you want.
Hey, hold on, pause. You see how the car dark? You see how the car dark? To how the car dark, the video quality grainy. And that we are talking about because she get it anywhere she want. Go on.
The block down, 1%. Don't play no games, don't play decent. You nipple them stand up from the AC through the vent. You want lash long, that's very evident. Carry your fig grill king, money done spent. Take a smell of me savage and you love half the scent. I real sad, I gon' beat it till it tent. And when I carry you home, you tell your man it's where you want, it's where you.
I know me alone say she get Lashin. People what they say? It's a clout. Clout makes you do it anyway. I know me alone say she get Lashin. Like she get lash.
Rabbi, you laugh no without it, boy. Plus we done been up 2 keys, Guinness, me you alone, boy. Anybody pass me and say we get problems.
Problems? When you talk about problems, look problems coming there.
Yeah.
Oh,
wait,
shots.
I name 2 men are the police officer from Tin video. I know the police them here. Or at least one of them. But go on.
Alice boss. Hey! But it's what you have to do when you stop the man.
Boy, the man's a serious man, you know. When we pull the man over, you know the man had Miss Squad, the girl in the vehicle.
What?
What, the man's serious? But now me girl a tall.
Yeah.
Me girl will never ever do something like that. I respect she 100%, boy.
I like that.
She loyal, buddy.
I like that.
She loyal, buddy.
What kind of body?
You need to stop call man body, you know. You hear that? Alright.
Hey. This not you, girl? Who is this here?
In the back seat, in the front. You could even get it in the trunk. You could get it anywhere you want. You could get it anywhere you want. Up on North Road, I go down south. You could even put it in your mouth. You could get it anywhere you want. You could get it anywhere you want. Me carry ain't got no limits, girl. I could carry you anywhere. I could truck it real sick. Lash in front of Medicare. If you want the Fresh Prince, we could try Bel Air. Nothing too.
The dog say if you want a Fresh Prince, you could try better. Simple mean they could get anywhere you want. Cause him have the car and the team that you can drive go anywhere in front of any landmark, any landmine, anywhere you want. Basically. Go on.
I can put your legs up in the air, yeah. I catch up on the walls and fuck it. Car box seat, yeah. Just I struck it. She like them things, yeah. Real public. Are you upset the police don't jug it? Yeah. In the box seat, in the front. You could even get it in the trunk. You could get it anywhere you want. You could get it anywhere you want. Go on North Road, I go down south. You could even put it in your mouth. You could get it anywhere you want. You could get it anywhere you want. Your gala give me brain cause she don't I fully done. You would be surprised what she doing for the dogs.
You see she going downtown. People go watch a video here. One more dope on the main channel. I did a video on the main channel. Terry Vlogs. Something similar to what you just see at my while ago. Go check it out. And if you watch it already, you know what me I talk about. But Terry Vlogs, link down below in the comment section and in the description page. Go check it out. Good.
Just one Lashin looking for no funds. Pot a cake wet up every time she see my guns. I catch up on the west side. Yeah, I sure she was the best side. She said she want right. And the tint up car make it easy for her. In the back seat, in the front. You could even get it in the trunk. You could get it anywhere you want. You could get.
Why she do her face? So she have to put like she. If you put like acting in a man video, in a bad man video. You hear me? I tell you. You just like relax and go on and shake your head 2 times and look punk. Yo, you have to put in like more acting and play the role better. I'm tell you, little girl. You hear me? I say, bad man attack you. Why? But he bad still. Listen me say, he bad.
Get it anywhere you want. Go on North Road, I go down south. You could even put it in your mouth. You could get it anywhere you want. You could get it anywhere you want.
Hey, I try back the number 1 more time.
Man, boy, Bex, man, head swell up. The man is bigger than anybody. Baby police.
Why, she's still in answering you?
Buddy, and imagine I see she, you know.
I know it's right there, buddy. What? Them girl is serious?
That's tough. She getting Lashin anywhere she want. You see me I say? Your name save as baby police. You know say you're baby police. How you deal with the things? So you're baby stay in your lane over there so. Baby police. But guess what people? It's been about Terry Vlogs aka The Reaction Boss. This is Tarek Reacts. This is the Reaction channel. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe right now. Tell a friend, tell our friends that always the reaction them a post. You hear me? Cause she get it when she want, you know. She will get it anywhere she want. Except the reaction them over yes alone them I got there. You hear me? But big up on yourself. Reaction Boss. I give her it anywhere she want. Peace.